Well, hello everyone, and you can tell the time of year we are coming up to Christmas. Last year, I surprised Kimerie by producing the tinsel from out of the picture, if you see what I mean. This year, we decided to prepare ourselves properly, so we're both suitably clad for Christmas. And we thought we would focus, first of all, on the services. There are two services, as many of you will know, the Advent service and the candle lighting. They're quite different, both very special services. So let's begin with the Advent. It's a lovely time of year, Advent. I always like the time of year.
Yes, yes. With the darker nights, the shorter days, there's a real sense of withdrawing. And the world isn't focused on that. The world is focused on being busy and buying stuff and all the rest of that Christmas preparation in the world. But for us in Unity, it's very much about this preparation time, this withdrawing a little bit from the world. So at the same time as doing all that stuff, we can also take time each day to step back and become still and reflect on the messages that are paramount in Unity, that's focusing on faith, on peace and love and joy as the season unfolds, moving towards Christmas. So yes, you're absolutely right about the services. The Advent is much more reflective. I've been choosing music and carols to reflect that sort of deeper stillness, using time for prayer, putting prayers on the Christmas tree, really taking the time to step back. And it's the first Sunday of Advent, so it's the 1st of December, and we will begin with our beautiful service that day, which actually we're going to hold in here in our prayer room with our Christmas tree, and we turn the lights on, and it's all very lovely.
Looks beautiful.
Yes.
And then shortly afterwards, it doesn't seem very long, we have the candle lighting, which is also very beautiful, isn't it? There's some wonderful colours there.
Yes.
As the candles are lit one
Yes,
by one.
absolutely. It's more of a joy-filled celebration,
Yes,
really. We're
yes.
celebrating the birth. Now, it is the 15th of December. It's the third Sunday, which this year is the 15th. So it kind of feels a little bit earlier than Christmas itself. But we like the candles, as you said, Steve. The carols are much more joyful and celebration, and we really dive into that beautiful energy that Christmas is. So both of those will be available on Zoom. The candle lighting service, we're inviting people to show up here, if you wish.
Very well.
Yeah.
So
sing along
do come.
together.
And plenty of carols, needless to say. So we can't finish with this topic without talking about the literature that we produce at Christmas time, the Advent booklet, which we mentioned already last time, but it's worth reminding. Yes, here it is again.
And it's actually, I've used the title of the booklet. It says, "Be Not Afraid," which is actually, it talks about the shock and the horror the shepherds must have felt when these angels appeared suddenly in front of them with this amazing message. It's like, what's going on? So I've taken that as kind of the theme for our Advent this year, moving from fear to faith, because there is so much that's engaging us in the world that doesn't seem happy and peaceful and calm at the moment. So I'm using that as our theme, moving from fear to faith. And if you'd like to join us for Advent, we will be having an evening meditation every day through Advent, reading the relevant message for that day, showing it as a meditation to reflect on and to really, again, take that inward experience so that it becomes a real personal experience for ourselves, not just something we're reading in a book, but something that we can relate to and make real in us. So yes, do join us for that. And if you've not ordered it, you can do so online and by calling the office.
And the calendar?
Oh yes, we love to advertise our calendar. I love my calendar. I've got it all over the house at home. I've got it by the bed, I've got it in my study, and I use it for all my appointments, and there's always lovely pictures and messages and affirmations. So I am inspired. Look at that. So yes, if you'd like to have a calendar, maybe order as a little gift for loved ones, please call us.
Good. Well, we've reached the end, so we will wish you the compliments of the season. We'll have a very happy and holy and blessed Christmas.
Well said, Steve. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.